Alright guys, we're here at Dave's house, just going through his treasure trove of stuff here. This is a 61 f100 unibody. Now they did not make a factory four-wheel drive version of this truck, but he has actually used all Ford later four-wheel drive parts and converted this to basically, if Ford bought it, or if Ford made a four-wheel drive version of this truck, this is what it would have looked like. Sorry, there's a lot of stuff in here. Robin egg blue color. Got the turn-in hubs. Really cool truck. Take a look in the inside here. He's got, we'll be filming quite a few of these here today. But here's the unibody, the really cool part of this truck. Truck runs and drives. See if we can get the door open. Looks like we've got, can't quite tell, 103, 103, 203, 303, somewhere right in there. Oh, that's kind of cool how they have the, I don't know if that's a deluxe gauges or what, but we've got the fuel, temp, generator, oil light. Headliner's a little worse for wear, no biggie. Seat's good. Got the twin stick, which, like I said, he's taken this factory two-wheel drive and made it into basically a factory four-wheel drive with all Ford four-wheel drive parts. Door shuts really well. Tailgate's really cool on this. And the bumper. I like how these tailgates open up from the inside right there. Here's the passenger side. Body lines are really crisp. Just getting warm enough down here. It's starting to get nice. You can go outside and start tracking some cars down again. Inside, you got the factory manual here still in the plastic, which I thought was awesome. 1961 truck operator's manual, series 100 through 800. Defrost vents, big dash on these trucks. All metal, of course. Looks like it's got some typical rust right there. Nothing that couldn't be fixed. I don't recall whether he said this had a, sorry guys, I'm gonna have to kind of crawl under stuff here. If this has got the 292 or if he put a 312 in it. See if I can see the hood pop. I don't see it. It's really close to this other car, or we'd pop that open. But yeah, 61 Ford F100 unibody converted to as close as you can get factory 4-wheel drive. But all right, we'll catch you later.